Where do I live? So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about 10 things you must know about me and plus mukbang. I'm going to eat Maggie and reply some 10 things that you must know about me. So yeah, so let's start. Let's start with the basic thing. You all guys know my name is Asha and my surname is Tamang. So this is the basic. So my name is ashatamang, you might know, and some might not know it. And the second thing that you must know about me is my age. Can you guess it? So my age is 16. I'm 16-year-old. Let's move to third thing that you should know about me is that when is my birthday? So my birthday is in 23rd January 2006. That's why I write 23 ashatamang23 in my YouTube ID name. Actually, I was going to make like the Maggie in Korean style. Have you seen the trend? So I was going to make it, but I realized that I don't have the, what do you call that, black soy sauce. So I don't cook it like that way. So now let's go to, I think this is 4 or yes, 4. How many siblings do I have? So I only have 1 sibling. Let's move to my 5th thing that you should know about me is, do I like K-pop? Yes, I do like. And 6th is, am I army? So yes, I am army. And my bias is actually I'm OD7. But before being OD7, my bias was Kim Sok-jin. What is my hobby? So my hobby is drawing. You have seen in my channel also. And the second thing, you might don't know that what I do is, you might not think that I do such thing. You might be surprised that I do such thing. I do crochet. So this is a sunflower that I made. And second is this. If you can recognize this, what it is, just tell me in comment section what it is. The 9th question about me that you should know about me is, where do I live? Where do I live? So I live in Siliguri, West Bengal. This is the 10th and the last question. The last thing that you should know about me is my favorite K-drama. My favorite K-drama. So first let me tell you who is my favorite K actor. So my favorite K actor is Lee Jong-suk, which you can see in the screen. And the favorite K-drama is also his drama only. that is W2 World Apart. That is my favorite one. I actually watched that back in 2020, and that is the most favorite. Yeah, that's all for the today's guys. Hope you enjoy my video. Please like, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.